Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manage passwords in Google Chrome. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Passwords and Autofill. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all your login credentials and autofill settings in one convenient place. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear on the side. In this submenu, click on Google Password Manager. This will open a dedicated interface where Chrome stores and organizes all your saved login information. It's essentially your personal vault for managing every username and password you've saved while browsing. Now, you'll see a complete list of all your saved passwords displayed on the screen. These are organized by website or app, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Take a moment to browse through the list and familiarize yourself with what's stored here. Go ahead and click on any password entry from the list. Once you select one, a detailed view will open up showing you the username, the actual password, and any notes you might have added for that particular login. This gives you full visibility into each saved credential. If you need to use this information elsewhere, you can easily copy the username and password directly from this screen. Just click the copy icon next to each field and it'll be ready to paste wherever you need it. This is particularly useful when you're setting up a new device or logging into an app. Now, if you need to make any changes to this password entry, simply click the Edit button. This allows you to update the username, change the password, or modify any notes you've saved. It's helpful when you've recently changed your password on a website and want to keep your Chrome data current. If you no longer need a particular password saved, you can click the Delete button to remove it from your password manager entirely. This helps keep your vault clean and organized, especially for accounts you no longer use. Additionally, if you have a family group set up through Google, you'll see a Share button. Clicking this allows you to securely share specific passwords with your family members, which is convenient for shared accounts like streaming services or household utilities. Now, let's move to the left side of the screen where you'll find additional management options. Click on Checkup to run a security analysis of your saved passwords. This feature checks for weak, reused, or compromised passwords and provides recommendations to help you strengthen your security. It's a smart way to ensure your accounts are protected. Still on the left side, click on Settings to access your Password Manager configuration options. Here, you'll find various settings that control how Chrome handles your passwords. For example, you can toggle the Offer to Save Passwords and Passkeys option on or off, depending on whether you want Chrome to prompt you to save new login information. You'll also find other useful settings in this section, including options for importing passwords from other browsers or exporting your saved passwords as a backup file. These features give you complete control over how your password data is managed and transferred. And that's it. You now know how to fully manage your passwords in Google Chrome, from viewing and editing them to sharing and securing them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.